Hello all, welcome to today's session. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce one of our resource persons, a well-known name in management fraternity, Dr. Nisha Tatkar from Mumbai. Dr. Nisha has an expertise in areas like managerial economics, cost and management accounting, taxation, banking and financial services, security analysis, derivatives and risk management. Dr. Nisha holds a PhD degree in banking and finance from Mumbai University. She has done MBA in finance and MCom from University of Pune. She also holds a diploma in taxation comprising both direct and indirect taxes. She has also qualified the UGC NET exam. Dr. Nisha comes with 10 years of teaching experience in which she has handled multiple responsibilities including teaching and administration. Dr. Nisha is presently a visiting faculty at Allard Institute of Management, Mumbai. Prior to this, she was an assistant professor at Sasmira's Institute of Management Studies and Research for more than 6 years, where she taught subjects related to banking to MMS, BMS, BBA and PGDBM students. She was also a visiting faculty at KPB Hinduja College of Commerce, Mumbai. In the past, she was also associated with Lala Lajpat Rai Institute of Management Studies and Research and Chetna's RK Institute of Management and Research. Dr. Nisha also has worked with various corporate banks like Axis Bank and HDFC Bank, where she has handled core banking operations and audit compliances. She has played a pivotal role in successfully setting up a new branch. Dr. Nisha has published 9 research papers in national as well as international journals. She has also presented her research work at 3 conferences. Dr. Nisha is contributing as a research consultant at Shahu Sahakari Bank. It is worth mentioning here that she is an approved faculty of management by Mumbai University. She has been a silver medalist at Inter-University Research Convention. She has headed various cultural and annual events successfully for 5 consecutive years. Here are a few glimpses of it. Three things that set Dr. Nisha apart are active participation in administrative work, interest in new and challenging assignments, and willingness to go extra mile. We are privileged to have Dr. Nisha with us today. I appeal to all the participants to make the best use of this session. Thank you.